Now let's create two tables. One is table user login and another one is table status. So first I am going to use SQL script in order to create table. So first I am going to use SQL script. The syntax is create table name. So I am going to give table name as table user login, and the columns we want user ID, then username, then password, and finally created. And the data types are user ID is integer, so I'm going to give integer, password as character or string data, and I'm going to give nvarchar, and the data type size is 25. Similarly for password also I'm going to give the same, and finally created is a date data types. So once you select this statement and if you execute and make sure that you selected our correct database testdb, a table will get created. So you could go to testdb and expand table. You could see there is no table is right now, but once you refresh you could see a table is created. This is one way of creating tables, and there are multiple ways or alternative ways are there. Another very important way is you could use SQL Server Management Studio. So right click or select the table and right click, then click new table. So this will ask you to enter the column name. So I am going to enter user ID, which is a integer data types. So you could see all the data types supported by SQL Server. So I'm going to select int as a data types. Then status. This is our second column, our second table, and the data types is nvarchar 15. So I'm going to select nvarchar and I want to make it 15. So once you enter, you have an option to save or you could close. In that case also it will ask you to enter a name. So I'm going to give name as table status, and once you click OK, you could see a new table is created. So if you refresh, you could see we created two tables. This is how we could create tables, and there are other way also there that we will see in other videos, but these are the two simple way, and usually we will be using SQL script in order to create tables. So that's all for this video. In next video I will show you how to insert data into these tables. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.